Look at this, oh. Ay, there's no water at the pool. Where are we going? Oh, let's go. Let's go inside.
Get inside.
3, 2. Are you? Oh, mami, dito ka, mami. Mami, dito ka.
Whoa!
Mami, dito ka.
Bukas pa yung water?
Siguro.
Alam nila?
Are you ready? Give, come here. Come here.
There's no water.
Aster, come here na. Dito. So, dito. 1.
I already saw it.
Where are we going?
Can you
Hey, that's this one.
Huh?
The other nga. I choose the wrong.
Sabi ko na.
Then bonfire. Later we will bonfire.
And this is a what? What's that?
Trampoline.
Oh, come on.
You can lie on it and bounce later.
You will love
Hello. Good evening po.
Our house is the same like
Oo nga. Ay, mata lang ilaw. Ayun.
Whoa! I can paint!
Yeah.
Paint! I'm very happy. I can paint. I can paint. Mommy, I can paint. Mommy, I can paint my own stuff. Gone, do scribbles. Gone. You can
Happy wedding anniversary, Mr. Ad. Oh, you read.
First, gone. Dito, gone. Pasok ka.
Daddy, mag-switch ako.
Gone, pasok ka, gone.
It's first time na ginawa ito.
There's some.
Okay, patayin ko na. Hot na.
Mommy, are you even?
What? What are you saying, guys?
Mommy, are you even videoing? God, do not make the water go in my eye.
Oh, come here. You say cheese.
Cheese!
God, smile the camera again.
Cheese! Cheese! Now it's better. It's getting even deeper. I like it when it's deep.
Wait.
Guys, if you do this like what's in science, you have to watch this in science. We're in a new hotel and it's very far away. See guys. No.
Wow!
These pieces just
Let's go and have our marshmallow cook. Where are we going? Mommy, where are we going?
Bonfire.
Look at that. We have a bonfire. Let's go. Come here.
I want to eat that.
Okay, come on.
I want to eat that.
Careful, you might fall at the pool. Can you step? How about gone?
Do we have a step?
Mommy.
There's glasses. Dirty glass. Like Nike lights.
Wow.
And you have there. This already. It smells fire. Can I hop in the?
Good morning. Good morning, Gun. Oh, what's that?
I love my gift.
Anong ginawa niyo dyan? How about give? Give.
Binigyan dito matulog si Gib.
You're so busy. Give.
May
Why?
sound eh. Dapat long sound.
Breakfast.
Yummy. Say thank you, Daddy.
Tummy.
Not tummy. I got corned beef.
Give has what?
Hot dog.
How about gone?
Juice.
Only juice naman.
You have to eat. Baka na may photo daw. How about you?
I
So,
want to drink.
Mine is
because you ate already.
Capsilo.
So, morning na ngayon. Tapos kayo mag-almusal. Good morning dip kami. Ay, malis ka dyan. Papakita ko sana nasa net kay.
You want to change your clothes, John?
Nila. Pinukunin na namin. Mainit to. It's hot.
Give me my goggles.
No.
As fast as rescue day. Get your goggles! Get your goggles out of there! Ow.
It's
I
nice.
only like no bubbles.
Pero kami kahapon dyan. Alam niyo ba, ang lamig dito kagabi. Hindi kami nag-aircon. Pero aircon feels pa rin kasi sobrang lamig. Malamig yung yung temp kagabi. Hindi siya hangin. As in, lamig aircon siya. Kahit hindi kami naka-aircon. So, let's have a room tour. Hindi na sa room tour na magulo. Hindi kami naglinis-linis, ha? So, here is the room. Ito yung aircon. Pinatay namin yan kasi sobrang lamig yan. Oh. Here is the bed. Dalawa yan. So, pwede mong alisin yung isa para ilagay doon. So, pwede na namin inalis kasi meron kami dalang tent. Natulog si Gib-Gib. Tapos, ayan, hinati nila to. Kasi ito, CR, yun, kitchen. And then, ayan, cabinet. Dito nilagay nila yung isang kutsyon. Yung kutsyon na nakita namin dyan, nilagay namin sa tent. Ang ingay kasi di ko alam yung ginagawa nila. So, ito yung view mo. Yun na sila. Warm up. Oh, dito natulog si Gib-Gib kahapon. Tent within a tent siya. Okay? Diyan siya natulog kahapon. Gusto niya matulog ako dyan. Dahil sabi ko, pag na-miss niya ako, punta na lang siya dito. Pero, kanina, dyan siya ba? Basta pag gising ko, nandiyan pa din siya. So, nag-enjoy siya matulog dyan. Si Gon dito siya natulog. So, yan. Free wifi. Meron sila. Ayan na yung pinaka-TV niya. Yan. Yung projector. May speaker din yan. Meron din yan remote control. Nanood lang kami ng YouTube. May Netflix din. And then, the bar counter. Kitchen. Meron silang ref. May sugar, creamer, coffee, microwave, heater. Pwede kayo magluto. Dala namin yung oil. Di na kami nagluto.
Mami,
Yes.
we will go to the pool. I mean,
So, maganda to kahit big. Nag-room tour pa ako sa magulo nating kwarto. Oh, dito kasama, dinala lang namin tong tent.
disassemble ko na yung tent.
Okay. Okay, yung mga bata, ayun. Goggles pa, nasa nasa jacuzzi lang. Meron din silang electric fan, pero di namin in-open yan. Malamig kagabi. Ay, paano naman pala? CR tour. CR is cozy. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda rin CR nila. They have robe. May provision din ng towel. May bidet. Mabango yung CR. Kahit di siya nakikisame. Kahit tumayo ka dyan, mabango pa din. Hindi naman siya mangangamoy. Hot shower. Toilet eh. Meron silang toiletries, yes. Meron silang toiletries.
Hello!
Ito na lang, lagay natin to sa ano, sa yung mga body wash, sa jacuzzi. Then, they're very hospitable because, look, marami silang mga pa-welcome drinks, welcome chocolate, may pag ganun pa, and they have anong tawag dito? Handwritten welcome note.
Pakita mo na sa cabinet yung
Ano?
yung ratings.
Ha? Ano nasa cabinet?
Yung handwriting person.
Nilagay nila. Hindi,
Diyan.
ayan pa ako. Nakita na nila yun eh. Nilalagay ko naman sa vlog. Okay? So that's it. Magbibis po kami. Ay, hindi. Isa pa pala. Yung palang yung outdoor kitchen pala nila. Dito na. Ito kami kumakain kasi ayoko sa loob. Mas malaki yung table dito. Magabi, nag-order lang. Hindi kami nag-order ng Jollibee. May Jollibee dito. Paandara lang siguro. Pwede kayo mag-grill. Tapos, yan. Meron silang kalan dyan. Dito kami naghugas. Yan. Meron din silang yan, sponge. Tsaka yung panghugas ng pinggan. So, yan. Tapos, ang parking is dyan lang. Ayan lang. Ayan lang. Say hi!
We have the swimming pool!
Okay. You want,
that's the swimming pool there!
you want a bubble bath? Bubble bath.
Yes!
Okay.
Can you put soap? Yes, put out. Let's put soap.
Very.
Okay. Soap in the water! Wait. Get it everywhere.
Oh, say, ano mo na? Mix. Mix.
Mix go, mix. No, no.
Wala na? Oh, shake nyo. Mix nyo yung water tsaka no, bubbles. You're not doing it right eh. More.
It's so many bubbles. Look at this. It's a bubble bath. My goggles is covered with bubbles. Do not ever put your goggles